Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is series of change in the genetic composition of a population over time is called A. Revolution, B. Population genetics, C. Evolution, and D. Succession. So the correct option is C. Evolution. The next MCQ is product of evolution is A. Ecosystem, B. Community, C. Biome, and D. Species. So the correct option is D. Species. The next MCQ is who developed a theory of natural selection essentially identical to Darwin's. A. Hardy Brink, C. Malthus, C. Alfred Wallace, and D. Lyell. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is all of the following are related to evolution except A. Change over time, B. Muscle hypertrophy, C. Antibiotic resistance in bacteria, and D. Origin of new species. So the correct option is B. Muscles hypertrophy. The next MCQ is which one of the following statement is correct? A. There is no evidence of the existence of gills during embryogenesis of mammals. B. All plants and animal cells are totopotent. C. Ontology repeats phylogeny, and D. Stem cells are specialized cells. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is he was not vocal for the idea of evolution. A. Aristotle, B. Lamarck, C. Linnaeus, and D. Darwin. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is it is not true about evolution. A. It is slow. It is a slow and continuous process. B. Evolution doesn't leave observable signs. C. Evolution transform life on Earth. And D. Evolutionary relationship among organisms are reflected in their DNA. So the correct option is B. Evolution doesn't leave observable signs. The next MCQ is this theory says that mitochondria and chloroplasts are in fact ancient bacteria which now live inside the larger cell. A. Darwin's theory of evolution. B. New Darwinism. C. Lamarckism, and D. Endosymbiont theory. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is life started about A. 1.5 billion years ago, B. 2.5 years ago, C. 3.5 billion years ago, and D. 4 billion years ago. So the correct option is C. 3.5 billion years ago. And the next MCQ is adaptation that an organism acquires by its own action are A. Heritable, B. Non-heritable, C. Can be made heritable through some modification, and D. Both heritable and not heritable. So the correct option is B. Not heritable. The next MCQ is Lamarck presented a mechanism to explain A. How Earth formed, B. How specific adoption evolved, C. How life started, and D. How life changed. So the correct option is B. How specific adaptation evolved. The next MCQ is which one is according to Lamarckism is true. A. Variation, B. Variation, adaptation, inheritance, B. Recombination, variation, adaptation, C. Adaptations, variations, inheritance, and D. Mutation, variation, adaptation. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which statement is contradictory to Lamarckism? A. Acquired characteristics can be passed to offspring. B. Extensive usage causes hypertrophy. C. Disosis causes atrophy, and D. Acquired characteristics can't inherit it. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following is not an example of disosis of organ? A. Snake feet. B. Shedding of teeth. C. Muscle atrophy, and D. Movement of ear. So the correct option is B. Shedding of teeth. The next MCQ is which is not related to the idea of use and disuse and disuse. A. Extensively used body parts become larger and strong. C. Disused body parts deteriorate deteriorated. BSc, a bigger bicep of blacksmith, and D, different types of beaks present in finches. So the correct option is D, different types of beaks present in finches. The next MCQ is first word theory which explain evolution as a process is Darwinism, B, Haeckelism, C, Williamsism, and D, Lamarckism. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is unique fauna was observed by Darwin in A, Ecuador, B, Bahamas, C, Galapagos, and D, Maldives. So the correct option is C, Galapagos. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep tuning and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.